Well, the clock may be ticking over a Nebraska law that funds private school scholarships. If the state Supreme Court decides it can go that far, they'll hear arguments this week on whether to overturn the law. The Support Our Schools campaign turned in enough signatures to put the issue on the November ballot, but a lot needs to happen quickly to get to that point. KETV News Watch 7's Aaron Hegarty joins us live with the latest on this. Aaron.
Yeah, Rob, the challenge comes from a parent who is benefiting from the scholarship law passed last year, and that went straight to the state Supreme Court because they need to act quickly. The Secretary of State needs to determine what goes on the ballot by Friday.
Katie and John Zock have 6 kids. Of the 4 in private school in Lincoln, 3 have scholarships of almost $2 grand through a program passed by the Nebraska legislature last year.
When we're spending what we are on groceries right now and clothes and everything else, it's a game changer.
It's important for them to send their kids to Catholic school. They say they were going to do it no matter what it took.
All it does is it gives my kids who are less financially off than other families, it gives them the same chance to choose which school is best for them.
Another Nebraska parent of private school students, not the Zocks, are suing in an attempt to take a question off the November ballot and protect future scholarships like these.
I would characterize this as yet another desperate attempt on their part to deny the people the right to vote on this issue.
The president of the Nebraska Education Association, Tim Royers, says Support Our Schools lawyers are prepared and confident. And from polling and talking to Nebraskans across the state, he's confident the law will be overturned.
The consistent message was, we don't want public dollars going to private schools, and they were eager to be able to cast their vote on that.
He says the law they're challenging hasn't started yet. The legislature replaced the one funding scholarships now, and that sunsets in October. Lauren Garcia Gage accuses Support Our Schools of misleading petition signers, which they strongly deny.
What's actually real is the family that we're with here today, the families that we've helped, way more real than their fear tactics.
It would just be a tragedy if it went away.
And the court is set to hear arguments on Tuesday afternoon at 2 o'clock. That's if the parent suing can prove the case is legally sufficient. Back to you, Rob.
All right, Aaron, thanks. And of course, we will stay on.